Hello students, here is the question. Here we need to find the Boolean expression which is the tautology, and for that we need to find the truth table of all these values for in this case. And tautology, as we all know, is the truth table values for any of these equations have to be equal to true, all of those values. So if we find out the truth table for P and Q, we know we can write the initial values for P and Q as true false alternate values over here, and this will be, we double them in the first case and then we write the alternate. So this is how we write the truth table for P and Q. And we know P and Q is, we write P and Q values are true and true is true, false and true is false. It is just like multiplication. If you multiply true with true, you will get true. If you multiply false with true, you will get false, just like 1 and minus 1. If you multiply true and false, you will get false, and if you multiply false and false, you will get false. So this is how we do it. You don't have to rely on the multiplication analysis that I told. It is just for understanding purposes. So this is the truth table for P and Q, and PVQ is true, that is true and true for the first case, false and true for the true for the second case, true for the third case, and false for the fourth case. Now if we look over here, P implies Q. P implies Q meaning, if we are implying truth to truth, we know it is true. But if we are implying truth to false, it is wrong. So, or false. So we have truth and truth in the first case, we have true over here. We have false and true in the second case, we have true over here. We have true and false. So if true is implying false, we know the answer is going to be false. And if false is implying false, it has to be true. So false is implying false, which means a false person, let's say, is implying false things. So the truth has to be the same. So here we have the truth answer over here. And if we look over here, P and Q, as the option suggests, P and Q, if we have implying P and Q, P implies Q, we can see these values to have truth values to be equal to true. That means the option 4 is correct. Thank you.